Today we are going to be making cheesesteak tortellinis. Cheesesteak tortellinis are a delightful fusion of hearty cheesesteak flavors and comforting pasta. For our ingredients today, we have cheese tortellinis, olive oil, onions, beef steak, and we have that cube, salt and pepper, beef broth, Worcestershire sauce, and provolone cheese and some mozzarella cheese. And we have red and green peppers. For your cheese tortellinis, these are the tortellinis that I chose to use. You want to cook according to the package directions, and you want to drain and set aside. We're going to heat some oil up in a large skillet over medium heat. We're going to add our onions and our red and green peppers. We're going to cook our onions and our peppers until they are tender. Next, we're going to increase the heat to medium-high. We're going to add our cube beef steak. We're going to season with salt and pepper, and we're going to cook until our beef is brown and well done. Once your beef is cooked to your liking, we're going to stir in our beef broth. And now we're going to add our Worcestershire sauce. We're going to bring to a simmer, and we're going to cook for about 5 minutes. Now that our 5 minutes are up, we're going to reduce the heat to low, and we're going to add our cooked tortellinis to the skillet, and we're going to toss everything together. Now that I have tossed everything together, I'm going to sprinkle some provolone and mozzarella cheese over the top, and I'm going to cover my skillet until my cheese has melted. Here is my cheesy cheesesteak tortellini. It was so delicious. If you haven't tried this recipe, I advise that you should, especially if you love cheese steak. So today we made cheesesteak tortellini. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats.